welcome one more time to Cooking with Gloria. I'm Gloria and today I have a delicious recipe, Kiwi Lemonade, or as we call it, Agua Fresca de Kiwi con Limón. I know that you and your family will enjoy it. With this hot weather, it's perfect, it's delicious, and it's made something at home and you know what you are offering your family. First thing is first, I have my apron on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my few ingredients. These are my few ingredients. I have 1 cup of sugar, a pinch of salt, limes, the star, the kiwi, water, a pitcher. That's everything that we need to prepare this delicious and refreshing agua fresca. I can't wait to start, so let's get started. I'm going to start by doing the simple syrup. I'm going to add 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of water, and I'm going to take it to the stove because we're going to dissolve it and make my simple syrup. So I'll see you over there. Turning my stove on. In low heat, this is how it looks. The sugar granules. As soon as they dissolve, I will show you how it looks after they have dissolved completely. See you in a little bit. The water is ready, and I want to show you no sugar at all at the bottom of the saucepan, and the water, it's a little bit yellow. It is ready. We're going to remove it and let it cool down before we continue with the following step. I'm going to start by taking the skin off of the kiwis. And I'm going to try and do my best and not take none of the pulp out. Slowly, we're going to take all the skin out and then we're going to rinse them. And this is the way I do it. This agua fresca, it's delicious, it's refreshing. It's perfect for this hot weather here in California. Okay, I'm going to stay peeling all my kiwis, and I'll be back when I'm done. I am ready to rinse them completely. And I am ready. After this, I am ready to make my agua fresca. Kiwi lemonade. I have my kiwis here. They're completely rinsed. They're ready. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to add my simple syrup. It's already cold. I'm going to add a little, 1 cup right here. I'm going to add my kiwis. I'm only going to reserve 2. And we are ready to blend. Let's see. This is ready. It's already blended. I'm going to reserve my limes here with my 2 kiwis. And I'm going to start by fixing my pitcher. Before I add it to my pitcher, what I'm going to do is taste it. And perfect. We don't need more syrup. What I'm going to do is add my ice, add my kiwi, and add my water. And we are going to mix. Some more ice. This looks amazing. Let's see how it tastes. Delicious. This is my first recipe. Look how beautiful it looks. Now, so let's get started, okay, with my second recipe. In the same blender, I'm gonna add just 1 kiwi and I'm gonna add my lime. The kiwi and the lime, perfect. It's such a refreshing and sweet and kind of soury. It's delicious. This drink is amazing. I have about 6 limes. I'm only gonna leave half of a lime for decoration. And I'm leaving behind 1 kiwi. This kiwi lemonade my family really loves and enjoys. Especially with this hot weather, this is perfect. So refreshing. Okay, after I do this, I'm gonna add the rest of the simple syrup. And we are ready to blend. Okay, this is complete and blended. To this mixture is when I'm gonna add my pinch of salt to bring up all that juice and the lime flavor. I'm gonna mix very well. I have my pitcher here. These ice cubes are kind of big, okay? I'm gonna taste my kiwi lemonade. Oh, perfect, perfect. And I'm gonna add it to my pitcher. Look how beautiful this looks. Amazing. I am going to cut some circles out of my lime for the decoration. I always love to do something like this. Let me first add a little bit of water and then mix it well. Add a couple of limes. Ooh, that looks beautiful. Now I have my kiwi here. I'm going to do the same thing. So that we know that this is lime and kiwi. Look how beautiful that looks. And to my kiwi pitcher, I'm going to do the same. I'm just going to leave 1 piece out here so it looks nice and decorative. Oh, I think I'm going to have to use it on my cup. Okay, I'll cut the rest of the pieces in small pieces and then I'll show you my final recipe. I can't wait for you to see it. See you in a little bit. Done with my recipe, with my kiwi lemonade, or traditional known as Agua Fresca de Kiwi Limon. This is such an amazing drink and refreshing. But this is the part that I love, that I enjoy, is tasting my recipes. This is the Kiwi Lemonade, and this is just the kiwi. This is perfect. Let's see how the Kiwi Lemonade came out, because this is the part I enjoy. It's amazing. Amazing and refreshing, of course. And this is the kiwi by itself. Let's see how it tastes. Delicious. The most important part is that you made it at home. You know how much sugar you add to this agua fresca, and it's perfect for this hot weather. If you liked and loved my recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, share my video on social media, push the bell so whenever I make a new recipe, you are notified. Thank you so much for watching my video from start to end. I really thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. But before I see you soon, I wish you the best. Peace and love. Bye-bye.